What's up, YouTube? Welcome to another video from EverWonder Tech. Today is the day I finally get my Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. I'm going to do an unboxing. It's a T-Mobile branded version. I'm also going to do some reviews on it, some comparisons to the OnePlus 7 Pro, and let you guys know how I feel about it. So let's go ahead and dig in. Love getting these devices a little bit early. It makes it even more exciting. I actually have two of them, so we'll see which one this one is. Alright, looks like this is the black version. So we'll go ahead and open this puppy up. If I don't slice my fingers first. Come on, baby. Ooh, look at that pretty thing. Nice. All right, let's see what's in this box here. I know they did a few changes this year, so we'll see how it turns out. So you got your charger. And one thing I did notice online is it is a USB Type-C on the charger itself. So I'm not sure how I feel about that. I have a feeling it's going to be a little bit weaker, and hopefully it doesn't break. Let's see, what do we got in here? So we got an adapter, USB 1 to Type-C. And we've got some, looks like we've got the stylus removal tool with a couple of extra tips. This must be our USB to USB-C cable. Now, one thing I don't like about this is I have about 1 million Samsung chargers, and now they've moved over to this, so we'll see how that plays into it. And I know that they took the headphone jack out, but they have included a USB-C headphone jack, or headphones. So that is a plus. That was one of the downfalls with the OnePlus 7 Pro that I got. I had no headphones to use with it. Now, yes, I do have Bluetooth, but at night I listen to the radio with some wired headphones. How do I get this thing open? There we go. Alright, so there's our, got some extra tips for our earbuds. Volume control, just like the old AKGs that came with the S10 Plus and the Note 9. And I'm assuming this is just the manual and stuff. Let's see. Oh, got the SIM removal tool there. Yep, just the manuals and information. Stuff nobody ever reads. Let's check this stylus color out. Nice black stylus to go with the black edition of this Note 10 Plus. Pretty sweet. I'm looking forward to digging into this thing and seeing how it works. Now, I'm sure you guys have watched 1 million videos on this already, but I'll just go over it real quick. It only has the 2 buttons, well, 3 buttons on the side, the volume rocker, and the power button that also doubles as the Bixby button. Nothing on this side. Looks like speaker, microphone, S Pen, and USB Type-C. Got the SIM and micro SD card holder, and another microphone. And I've been told this is part of the speaker, but I'll dig into that a little bit more and let you guys know. All right, well, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I wanted everybody that's getting a T-Mobile based phone to know what's actually in the box, because I know myself, I was curious. I was hoping that it would have the adapter for the headphone jack, but it didn't, so not disappointed though. I mean, at least they gave us some headphones. So anyways, if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Please like and subscribe. It does help the channel out. And look forward to doing some reviews on this. Take care, guys.